Hello and welcome to Wanted Book. I'll now guide you step by step through the registration process. Please open your internet browser and type in the address wantedbook.eu. The website will open. Now please accept the cookies to use all the features of the site. If you're using a smartphone, tap the menu icon at the top to access all available options. You can now choose your language, currency, and select either login or register. Click on Register to create a new account. You have different ways to register: using your email address, your Google account, or your Apple account. If you're registering with an email address, make sure it's entered correctly. You must be at least 18 years old to use Wanted Book. Please enter your date of birth. Now please carefully read the terms of use and the privacy policy and confirm that you accept them. Then click on Continue. You now have 1 minute to confirm your email address. Go to your email inbox and click the link in the message we sent you. Tip: if you don't see the email, please check your spam folder. After confirming your email, you'll be redirected back to our website. Now enter your full name and choose a secure password. We recommend a long password that includes numbers, letters, and special characters. Congratulations! You've successfully registered on Wanted Book. I wish you lots of success and enjoyment on our platform.